ZOLLER ID tips can integrate with every piece of your technology all the way into your CNC machine, and this is how. Our first station here is on our power shrink machine. So with our power shrink machine we have an automatic coil here, we have our LED lights to showcase when a tool is hot and when it's cold. On the screen here, usually you would either have to manually move this coil, or you can select on here what diameter and what holder, but because we're utilising our ID chip, we press scan and the coil now is going to automatically move to the right position. We'll move this down, put our safety glove on, press OK, we press heat. That's going to heat up within a few seconds. Move this out of the way, put our tool in, get the back stop, and now we've been indicated what cooling bar we need to use. So we bring this off, over the top, it's gone red. Don't touch it, it's hot. So what it's trying to do is we're trying to stop operators from trying to guess when the tool is cold, are they able to touch it yet? It's a nice bright indicator to tell people the tool's not ready yet, it's still hot. Once it goes flashing blue, we can then take it off and move on to the next station. The tool is cold, we're ready to move on to the next station. So now we're going to jump on our Ventura machine. So because we're now using ID tips, we don't need to fish for any information on this tool, we don't need to start searching for programs or anything like that. We'll load it into our machine, which is using our power clamping spindle here. It's going to pull back on the tool. Run our ZOLLER module, so all we'll do is press measure tool. Now we've got our scanner again now. We scan the tool and that's it. The operator doesn't need to do anything else. It finds the right program, it'll find the starting position, and now it's going to measure it. So it's going to measure the tool within the same scope as it was last time. Check any tolerances, check the gauge lengths, the run out, anything that needs to be checked to make sure this tool conforms to the last time it was set. So once it's been set, it'll either give us a green light to say it's right if there's tolerance, or if there's any errors it will flash up a big red box and say it's wrong. So the tool's right, it's within tolerance, so now our next step, the machine's asking us, do we want to reset tool life? This is basically asking us, is this a new tool or are we utilising it the last time that we've machined it? So it basically means, is there any tool life left on this? No, we've put a new tool in here, so we're going to go yes, reset tool life back to the nominal. Press OK. We press data output now, and that's going to ping that information across to the ZOLLER database. So we're done, and now we can move on to our last station here. So we've got our ZidCode 4 unit situated here, and we've got our demo program software on this station. So we have to use our imagination a little bit. This is our CNC machine controller. So on our ZidCode 4 software, we can few different options to load the tools in, unload the tools. We can also see what's actually currently in the magazine as well, so it gives us that bit more visibility. But we're going to load this tool in, scan the chip. We're going to put a tool number in there. I'm going to press data output, ask what magazine position, load tool. So now that's going to put that information into our tool library. Success. So now if we go into our tool table, we've got tool 70 there with our information ready to go. So what this allows is it gives the ability for people to not have to manually input the data, so there's no risk in our operators inputting the wrong information. It allows you to be able to control the data all within the ID chip and the ZOLLER database. Want any more information? Then give us a shout, drop us an email, and we'll come and see you.